This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the United Airlines app. This powerful tool puts your entire travel journey right in your pocket, making it incredibly convenient. You can manage bookings, check flight status, and access important travel information with just a few taps. It is truly designed to make your journey smoother, from planning to arrival, keeping you informed every step of the way. Booking and managing your flights is incredibly straightforward with the app. You can search for new destinations, compare fares, and securely complete your purchase in just a few simple steps. When it is time to travel, check in for your flight, get your mobile boarding pass, and conveniently view all your trip details, saving you valuable time at the airport. Staying updated on your flight's status is crucial, and the app excels at providing real-time information. You will receive immediate notifications for gate changes, potential delays, or even cancellations, ensuring you are always one step ahead. Track your flight's progress on a live map, giving you a clear visual of its journey and offering valuable peace of mind throughout your travel experience. Enhance your experience once you are on board by exploring the in-flight amenities. You can access a wide selection of complimentary entertainment, including movies and television shows, right on your personal device. Browse the current food and beverage menus for your flight and even purchase access to internet connectivity, allowing you to stay connected or productive high above the clouds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.